You wonder why people stonewall when admitting the truth would be so easy. So you forgot to get bread on the way home. So? And that's the beginning of the bloodshed. Most domestic battles, you see the pictures of the people with the black eye, etc. That's the way it started. It started, you forgot to fill the gas tank. You forgot to get the bread. You forgot to mail the letter. And then it escalates from there. Why would it escalate over something so trivial? Because the ego, in order to survive, has to feel that it's right. Therefore, for somebody to admit that they were wrong is impossible below 200. The way to not get your feelings hurt, I guarantee, I'll give you a perfect list to make sure your feelings never get hurt again. Take a legal-sized pad, write down all your faults. Write down your faults that other people think you have, even though you think they're liars. And now own them all. Even if they see you that way and you're not that way, you take responsibility. Because of you, they see you that way. What about you as allowing them to see you that way? See? You just presume that there's some degree of truth in all of it. If you're a liar, you tell them, I'm the best liar on the planet. You want to hire me? I'm worth a fortune. Am I forgetful? If this wasn't connected to this, I would have lost it a long time ago. If you own your possible downside, don't you see, nobody has any place to attack you. And people intuit where you've got a chink, and that's what they go for. So if you're being abused by people in various ways, it's because you're attracting it by something you're not owning about yourself. Besides, there's nothing wrong with being stupid and ugly. So I'm stupid and ugly, right? I was on a radio show in Chicago with a well-known jock there, and one of his team admits he's stupid and ugly. In fact, the part he plays on the program is when you need somebody stupid and ugly, he comes in and makes a stupid and ugly comment. And they all cheer, thank you, he says. He makes a very good living being stupid and ugly. So we admit our faults, and we stop labeling them faults. I mean, they used to call me Shorty. Should I get indignant and be sensitive? Protest? Shorty. So we have to get over narcissistic sensitivity. People who are made uncomfortable by things need a psychiatrist. And the best advice is to get over it. If the word God over the courthouse makes you nervous, you better see your analyst about it, you know what I mean? I mean, those 3 words are not coming down off the cement and hitting you in the head or something. What is it doing to you? All negative reactions are then not caused from outside, it's how you choose. Everybody who's uncomfortable in various situations is completely legally free to not feel uncomfortable. And I'm trying to explain to them how to do it. The world is not going to agree with your political views, so the world is not going to agree with many things you hold about yourself. The way to become bulletproof is to own any negativity that you can even imagine might apply to yourself. Now, when you go to accept that, you'll run into the ego. That you are dumb and ugly? Well, that's true. But God loves me. God loves me anyway. Okay.